Hi, it's Lisa here on the road to VA Life, and today we are going to talk about something heavy. Medyo drama atong topic today, guys. So dili ni siya technical tutorial, but if you are a bisdak nga virtual assistant like me, you need to hear this. Kinanglan ka makadungugan. For almost 20 years na ko nga nag-work from home, and I have seen virtual assistants come and go. But the ones who stay are often the ones who have the biggest why. Matinding pangangailangan, rason kung anong nag-virtual assistant sila. The why. Your why is your answer kung pangutanon ka, nganong mag-VA ka. Why do you want to work from home? Why are you choosing the VA life? Mauna ang why. Unya, ang pinakalalom nga rason kung nganong gipili nimo ang VA life, mauna ang imuhang why. Okay? Klaro ho nato. Kay kung dili ka sure nganong mag-virtual assistant ka, wala kay strong nga reason, dili gyud ka magdugay. Kana lang akong masulti. And now that you're already watching my first episode, warning lang ko ha, expect a lot of Bisaya in my videos. Bisaya man ko. And I'm hoping to put more Bisaya content sa internet. Mas daghantang mga kuan, bisdak nga internet, diba? Kay karon na apoy mo represent sa bandila sa laing bahin sa Pilipinas ba? Kay kuan ba kanang feel po na ako nga daghan na mo kay mga Tagalog nga VA influencers. Nya usa pa po dili ko makakompete nila, like grabe taas na gyud kay sila level kung mag-Tagalog man sila, dili ko ka-compete. Nga naman kay lisuran man ko mag-Tagalog. So kay may Tagalog. Magsinapid akong dila. So pasensya na ha. Pero kung ikaw Bisaya pod unya gusto ka mag-virtual assistant, nangita kag mga tutorials or tips and other helpful resources on freelancing and virtual assistants na sagol English ug Bisaya, mao na ni ang channel nga imong ipakita. Salamat daan sa pag-subscribe. Ay, subscribe ka. Okay? Kay bongga jud ang Bisaya, no? Okay. Karon, let's talk to the heart of this community. And I want to talk to the breadwinners. Mga breadwinner nga virtual assistants. Kay breadwinner man sa ko nga virtual assistant. Okay? Mga freelancers nga nanginabuhi para sa ilahang pamilya. Okay? Una ikaw na, ikaw akong gipasabot. Mga virtual assistants nga ang tibuok angkan ang gisuportuhan. Ikaw ba na? Mga work from home nga persons nga kuwang na lang hasta ang iro sa silingan. Siya'y mo palit og lawg. Ngun ana ka grabe ang mga breadwinner nga virtual assistants, guys. So if you are that person, I want to talk to you because you are currently the pundasyon of your family. Okay? Ikaw ang mo break sa curse of poverty sa imuhang family line. Pero tinuoray bitaw no kay kita nga mga breadwinner virtual assistants baka sige lang ta og fighting no bisag wala tay kumito. Kaila ko nimo. Lami na hilak no. Yes, lami na hilak. I know you are tired and I know the weight you carry every single day is heavy. You are the one who pays the bills. You are the one who makes sure the refrigerator is full and the electricity stays on. Okay? Pero bigyan mabayran, walay palta-palta. And then you watch your younger siblings sa imong mga manghud. You watch your younger siblings get the better version of the things you never even had when you were growing up. So muna'y life sa mga breadwinner virtual assistants. Na sila bagong gadgets, nindot ilang mga sanina, tuition fee sa mga nindot nga eskwelahan. These are things that you only dreamed of back then. Karon, ikaw na ang naghatag anak nila. What an honor. But today, you are the one taking care also of your elderly parents. Pwede po, no? Sibli kay ikay tigpalit og lusartan nila mama ug papa. Ikaw ang unang tawagan kung may emergency. True or false? Basta breadwinner. Ikay mo natawgon, oy. But let's be real. Sometimes, it feels lonely, di ba? Feel ni mo sometimes invisible ka kay everyone calls on you when they need something. But rarely does anyone ask, okay ra ba ka? Nay nahutanan nimo, nay nangamusta nimo. Nay mo ana nimo, kumusta naman di ka besh? Nay mo ingon ana, tagsara kayo na siya mahitabo. Niya, nakasakit pag yun kay naay uban mga parinti nimo nga moingon, ay work from home ready ay sikuan. Sayo na day na iyang trabaho kay naara man siya sa balay. Asa ang sundang big?
Manibas punuan sa saling.
Katawan lang ni nato pero actually sakit siya sa dughan. Kanang ingnon lang kag ay work from home ra daw, work from home ra. Niya, nag-zoom call kasi imong client, iyano ra kayo mo interrupt imong iyaan ba? Mana?
Dai, excuse agad palihog kong hatod ni Junjun sa school.
They don't see the mental load that you carry. They don't see the pressure of keeping a client happy while the whole household is relying on your internet connection. Maunang usahay, maski unsa nimo kamahal imong pamilya, you feel like you're drowning in responsibilities. True or false? True. Okay? Antos yun ta, basta when it comes to family, antuson yun na nato. Okay? Mo man na atong character as virtual assistant nga breadwinner. I know you also want to go on a vacation, di ba? You're dreaming of a break, but even your dreams are selfless. If mo bakasyon ka, gusto nimo madala nimo tanan pamilya because why not? Ang tibuok banay imong dadun, okay? Mas dako ang gasto sa vacation, mas kapoy iplano, pero para nimo mas lingaw manggod basta kumpleto, di ba? That is because you are generous. Okay? Sana nimo generous man kayo kadadon nimong tanan nimong pamilya iniga vacation. And that is exactly why you are working twice as hard now as you did back then when you had a corporate job or a full-time job nga nasa office, di ba? The beauty of being a VA is that we have the power to scale. You take on more clients, pwede ka mo work graveyard shift, you upskill, bisan duka na kaayo, because you know that your energy directly translates to the comfort of your family. So let's have a heart-to-heart talk, ha? Sultian ti karon. karon. Padayon lang. Kanina laban, kay let's be honest, usahay dili na ni para sa ato agod, para na ni sa atong banay. If your family shows you appreciation, then you are lucky. Pagkaswerte na lang yun nimo. Be grateful for that. But I also know there are virtual assistants watching this right now who feel completely unappreciated. Katong mga mura silang invisible sa ilang balay. You do everything but you feel like a walking ATM. True or false? Kay numnum ra sila nimo kung tingbayad na sa kuryente or kung naay mangayo og extra diha day kay numdum ra na sila kung makinahanglan nga. It hurts, it's painful to feel like your value is only as deep as your bank account. But here is what I want you to realize today, okay? You need to be glad, be so glad. You are blessed beyond measure. Because think about it, you are so blessed that your bowl is overflowing. Nag-awas-awas. You have reached a point where you can pour what you have onto those who don't even have bowls to fill, and that is a position of power. That is a position of grace. So congratulations, ikaw nakaroon ang dakilang bayani sa inyong pamilya. And I know that is the truth. Ikaw ang dakilang bayani sa imong pamilya. And if the people around you can see your sacrifice, if they can see the dark circles under your eyes from working at 3 a.m., no, kay mga laon man gyud aning labi na night shift ang ato ang pagka-VA, I want you to know that I see you. Eh, di man gayta kaila, pero ako kita ko nimo, kaila ko nimo, kay bawo ko sa imong mga habits. Your fellow VAs who are also breadwinners, just like you, who are grinding like you, we see you completely. Kami tanan, kita pud minimo nga naninguha. And even though halfway na ta sa video, this is where I want to give you practical advice. I want to give you 5 tips para dili malubong imong kalag sa imong giangkon nga responsibilidad. Okay? Number 1, first yun, get health and life insurance for yourself. Ayaw pagsalig sa dasal lang talaga. Ayaw taon. Be responsible for your own health kay dili ka maziruhan kung naay emergency. So kuha gyud og insurance. So muna siya number 1 akong i-advise lang. Kaduha, secure your own savings by paying yourself first. Okay? Dili kay igabot sa sweldo, bayad ang kuryente, bayad ang tubig, zero na ka. Ayo, san? Pagbilin pod o para sa imuha. In fact, mas maayo gali na before nimo i-apod imuhang payout, maglahi ka og payout for yourself. Ikaw na bahala pila imuhang i-set aside nga amount, pero you need to pay yourself first. Okay? Sabot ha? Tinuura yun ni. Okay, number 3, kani. Very important. And this is also where a lot of virtual assistants and freelancers, those who are working from home kanang sedentary ang lifestyle, kasi lingkod, this is where a lot of us fail. This is the 3rd advice, and it is very important. The advice is to find time for exercise. Okay? Find time for exercise. Your body is your capital. Mura na imong puhunan, imong lawas. If dili ka maglihok-lihok, tayaon imong lawas, tayaon pod imong pangutok sa trabaho. Ha? Kay kadalasan ba yung mga VA, no? Kay sigirag lingkod. True or false? True. Pagka-true, sige raman taglingkod. Okay? So, i-include ang exercise sa imong daily routine. Okay? Muna ningon ko, find time for exercise. Wala ko ningon exercise ra. Sayo naman exercise. Okay? Pero ang imuha is wala kay oras. Mo nang kinahanglan atong i-bake into our schedule ang pag-exercise, ang paglihok-lihok. Bisag mag-squats ra ka while naghuwat ng imuhang video nga nag-render. So, ibutan na to, video editor ka. Di ba, mag-render ka sa video nga nahuman na nimo uguan. Edit. Mudagan man nagpila ka minutes, no? Sige, so while nag-render, squats ka. Okay? Or mag-push up ka or planking ka after your client work. Decide today to get healthy before your body decides for you. Okay? Number 4, you block time for rest. Pahuway. Dili na luxury ang pagpahulay ha. It is a necessity. Importante na siya. Plot it in your calendar and stick to it. Remember that sleep is a weapon. Tinuod yun na siya nga. Sleep is a weapon. Himani. And 5th, number 5, explain to your loved ones and set their expectations. Tell them, ma, pa, if mag-rest ko, please sabtapod. Just because I work from home, I am still working. Trabaho gihapon ni. You tell them that. Okay? You tell your family nga importante sa imuhang rest because you are preserving your capability as a provider. Kay kung ikaw ang masakit, tiwas gyud tanan. So moto ako ang 5 tips. I hope inyo hang i-follow. We know the silent battles that you fight just to keep everyone else happy. But remember this, you are not just paying bills. You are securing a future. You are breaking the cycle of poverty in your lineage. Imuhang pamilya. What a privilege it is to be the one chosen to fight this fight. Such an honor nga ikaw ang napilian. God's strongest soldiers for 2026. Naapil kita sa lista. Kay dili tanan gihatagan og ing-ani nga kusog. So don't let the fatigue turn into bitterness. Ha? Keep the fight going, but don't forget to save some of that love for yourself. Kay ba man ta nga love nimo imong family. Kay ba man ta nga pinangga nimo ang imong mga igsuon, imong mama, imong papa. Ikaw as provider. Kay ba man ta ana, pero save some of that love for yourself as well. Okay? Securing your family's future is noble, but you need to be alive and healthy to see them enjoy it. Okay? And we are all cheering for you. Your hard work is not in vain. Okay? Parihata o barko nga gisakyan kay daghan ta nga mga breadwinner virtual assistants sa kalibutan. Okay? If you're at the point where you know someone in your family na breadwinner nga virtual assistant and you want to become a VA too para makatabang pud ka, okay? I run a 5-day bootcamp every few weeks. If you join the bootcamp, expect tough love and practical training for future virtual assistant. And the bootcamp is free, by the way. Walay bayad. Ayaw mo pagbuot. Kung di ko magpabayad, basta free ang bootcamp. Mag-unsa man ta sa bootcamp kung mo apil mo. Okay, we will work on your resume, your portfolio, and building your confidence para makaatubang kas imuhang kliyente nga dili ka magkurog sa interview. Mo na ato ang point. We will prepare you for the VA life. So if you want to register for the next bootcamp, go to lisasabala.com/bootcamp and register for the next batch of our Road to VA Life bootcampers. Okay? I hope nakatabang ni na video. If you can, please isend sa imong mga amiga o mga amigo nga breadwinner VA pod. Ha? Okay, kita-kits sa next episode. Bye.